Whoever I told to stop blinked and gave that look. That is not even a real career. Isn't that basically gambling? What if it doesn't work out? Everyone loses in trading game eventually. I don't blame them. It is hard to understand when someone willingly walk away from security, from structure, from status. But I wasn't lost or confused. For the first time in years, I was clear on what to do. So if you watch this video to the end, you will also be clear on what to do next. Those two I used to hold this pride. The coat, the stethoscope, the little on the door. I started to feel like props from someone else's story. So I let it go and trade it for a trading chart, a strategy, and a shot at something real. It wasn't smooth. I stumbled. I restarted. I questioned myself more than once. But I kept going even when no one clapped. But a decade later, every single day still feel like that moment in silence. When I smiled quietly and walked away from the life that wasn't never really mine. Because this is what happens when you choose your own path. Not the easy one, not the expected one, the aligned one. So here is what I want to leave you with. Ask yourself, what if trading is not just a skill but a pathway? A pathway to the vision of you that is waiting beyond the job title, the routine, and the self-plan. Would you walk through it? Think about it and then hit reply and tell me, what small thing will you do today to show yourself you are serious about your freedom?